Hi guys, welcome to my channel Science in Mind. Today we will talk about the summary of class 8 chapter 1 crop production and management. It's a summary class. If you want this chapter full in depth, I will show you this in next video. Let us move on. What is agriculture? Agriculture means the applied branch of biology which deals with cultivation of plants and animals called agriculture. Means if you have a big tall grass, or we can say the crops, we have to cut it for that time to earn money or get to food to eat, and this is called agriculture. Same with that, animals, we have to rear animals for the wool or for the milk or for the meat, anything. Let's go to the another slide. Like this we can explain that this grass is very tall, or this crop is very tall, and next picture we can see that farmers are cropping that big grass. We can suppose if we get, so this is for their use and for our eating. And let's go to another slide. Next slide is called for the crop means if you have a large area, if you want to cultivate crop on it, you have to sow some seeds for this crop, and which seeds will grow into a plant that is called a crop. And this is also classified into two ways. Let's say that kharif crops is mean are grown in the monsoon season, June till September. This time the rainy season came, and these crops are means maize and millet and cotton and many more crops need very efficient water for their growing crop. And for example, that maize also grow in here, millet, bajra called, and cotton crops means in summer we wear cotton clothes. That cotton is only cultivated from here. And let's go to the rabi crops. Now if you have cultivated it, so the soil is very fertile and it is empty. So what will you do? We will add some rabi crop seeds, and it will during the winter season these rabi crops are being grown. October to March these are being taken care by the farmers, and after that do not need much efficient water, so that they can solve the winter season during the time of winter. And let us say that kharif crops also it be cultivated on October or November between the Diwali festival, and these are harvested during the winter season, end of the winter season, April or May, Baisakhi time. And these like you can see this picture, that the crops are being harvested now, they are being sold into the market. We can see by in the packets or in openly. Let us go to the next slide. Working together, the farmers also need a process of doing the practice of crop production for their special use. So first we have to do the preparation of soil. If you have cultivated the crop or it's empty, so we have to make the soil fertile, otherwise it will get damaged by the time if you sow the seeds. And preparation of soil is done by machines, or you can do by that plow. And let us go to the sowing means seeding all the seeds in the proper space. If you put all the seeds at the one place, it will not grow properly. And adding manure to the fertilizers means adding manure and fertilizers. Manure is used for having good crop and making it very good for use, and fertilizers are also good for crop, but it is not very good for crop because they are artificial in nature. seeds will want some water to get grow from the plant, get in the plants. So irrigation is the process from where we put the water in the plants and it goes to the roots and it gets properly grown. Next point is the protecting of from weeds. Weeds means that you can say that weeds means fasal that crop only. But now let us talk about the wheat. Wheat is also called a weed, and this picture you can see this is the weed, and we have to protect them. So there are in the market there are very things, pesticides and insecticides are used for this medicine type of this. If you put in on this weeds, that it will protect from the bad weather and insects and from crows. And if you put it more than its want, so it will get damaged very easily. So let us go to the point harvesting. Harvesting means if your season has came to cut the crop, you have to harvest it. And next is the storage. Storage means if you have harvested it, you have to wait for that season to eat for the people or grind it and sell in the market. Let's go to the another slide. The main tools which are used for the purpose of growing the crops. Let us see this picture. This picture is representing a truck. This truck is used for irrigation for this water, and this machine is used to sow the seeds very properly at the proper gap. And this is used for cultivating, that means plowing the crop, means plowing the soil. And let's go to the traditional method. This is the traditional method of plowing, that we have to attach it from 2 cows and we have to apply force to make it make the soil fertile. So this is not a very good, this is not very easy for the farmers to do this. And now this is the truck. This is also same the truck of adding seeds to the soil, but it's having 2 ways. It's this back portion allows the seeds to get in proper gap, and this only allows that the soil get fertile also. And now this is the sprinkler system. This is the very best model of sprinkler system. It allows you to sprinkle water in every part of the plant, but it's very costly for the farmers, so this is not in very use. So the main tools are only plow, hoe and cultivator. Okay, let us go to the next slide. And now we come to the extra points. Extra point mean which will definitely or not definitely come in our exam. We can say that 50% will come in this exam or in the test. Let us do modern methods of irrigation. I will tell you modern methods. This is the traditional method, means mode, pulley system, chain pump. Chain pump is used by the well. We put the pump in the well, and when we on it manually, then we have to hold the pump and sprinkle the water by our hand. And next is Dekhi Rahat. It's a normal method. It is used today also for the farmers who don't want the modern method. And now we go to modern methods. Sprinkler system. Sprinkler system, we can say that a pipe which sprinkles water by getting circulate in 360. It it revolves 360 and sprinkles the water into the crop. And this is drip system. Drip system is the best method of irrigation, because it saves water and allows only efficient water for the plant, not making that excessive water make the plant more harmful or not for use. Let us go to the special festivals associated in the harvest. There is Pongal, Vaisakhi, Holi, Diwali. festivals by seasons. Let us say Pongal, which comes in winter season, or summer season. Baisakhi, the festival of six, where the people gets in yellow dress, or they cultivate the crops. Holi, Diwali, these are the some. Holi comes in summer, Diwali comes during the winter. From this time the crop gets cultivated. Nambya and Bihu are also same like the Holi, Diwali. Let us go to the animal husbandry. We have said that agriculture is done by is cultivated and done by farmers, but animal husbandry is for the animals only. It do not add crops in it. Means food that obtains from animals or plants for to be reared and provided shelter and care, which means that animals which are reared properly and provided proper food and shelter. For this we have to care for them, and we get some food from them, obtained food from them. When it is done on a large scale, when we can say the cow place where many cows are kept for and taken care. After that, when the time they get out the milk and place it to every part of the world. And this adding manure and fertilizers, it's a deep depth, but I have tell you in short form. This is a very important thing. It will definitely come in our exams, because it's a very important question. Because adding manure and fertilizers, without adding manure and fertilizers in the crop, we can't grow the crop and we can't cultivate the crop. So this is for this video. Subscribe to my channel Science in Mind, and if you want more educational videos in good way, now this is also was my first video, so I try to do my best, and next video I will do more better from this, and I will give you textbook solution chapter wise. So thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel please. Thank you.